from Supermofools.
I'm DK.
And today we're at the Supermoto Halle in Marktl. And we're going to drive some Yamaha WR250Xs today and test them out inside of the indoor track. I haven't been riding an indoor track with a big Supermoto yet, but let's see how it works out.
Yeah, and also the instructors, they got crazy skills, so we're going to film that too.
And drift around the corners, or at least the instructors will. We won't, but the instructors will. And Jasmine is here, and Joshua is also here behind the camera right now. But let's get inside, get the suit on, boots on, and let's go. DK, you ready?
Yeah, I'm so ready.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Gonna crash?
I'm a bit nervous. No, I don't know. I'm not gonna say anything about that.
What about you? Wearing a leather suit for the first time?
Yeah.
Looks good on you though.
Does it? No.
And how long do you have your license by now?
Like 2 months or 3.
So perfect. Let's get on the bikes and kill ourselves.
The whole leg on the ground to find a stable position where you feel comfortable, and it's something you lose traction, you can't stay on the leg.
Exactly. Yeah. And what gear you usually running?
Second. Okay. Everything second.
Okay.
You don't need to do
Okay. Yeah, it's okay.
All nights push your starvation, and all just for a little attention. What you put in your nose makes all your money flow.
Yeah, it was fun. Really have to get used to it. It's really nice. I like it. Yeah. So, what's up, guys? We've taken a break. We're now chilling here.
Sexy time.
Yes. and it's a lot of fun. The instructors are crazy as well. They just drive and drift everywhere they can. It's really nice to learn that technique.
These are the times. I guess this was the first one. I did it 33 seconds, I guess.
And now you're at 30.9.
Yeah, and now I'm 30.9, so I improved.
I'm
3 seconds by now.
30.1.
But we have to improve, because the instructors are way too fast. We can't let that happen.
Yeah.
We have to show what we can do.
Yeah,
definitely crash, but he crashed already, and Joshua crashed as well. So I'm very proud.
Very nice.
Very nice. I didn't crash because I'm the crash king, so I'm the king of not crashing.
Ah, okay, so okay.
But first, we have to grab something to drink, grab something to eat, and then we'll be heading out for another session of riding.
So they got some nice pizzas.
Yeah, pizza time.
Pizza time.
Also, check out the pizza tour we did in Italy.
Yeah.
Find the video in the description or up there.
Yes.
Yes. Great success. Yes, it was the right corner. Okay.
Was it the right corner though?
Yeah, it's the right corner.
Find it here.
Is that the right corner?
No!
Yep.
Finished the track day at the Karthalle Supermotos. You can find the link of where we are in the description below. It was really a lot of fun. Big thanks to Hans for having us, and we are coming back for sure.
Also, big thanks to all the instructors, because these guys are really crazy on this track and they teach us some really cool techniques. But yeah, we should come back here and train more.
We improved a lot in the times.
Yeah.
At the end it was 30.9 or something like that. You can find the times in the description below. Hello! Sorry, no problem.
No problem.
Wacht even tot de deur valt. At the end of the day, we really improved our times. It was like 30 seconds, 9. You can find our times in the description below if you have been here and you want to show us your time. Comment below.
Yeah, because we were consistently getting better after every lap.
So find all the links of the Supermotos in the description below. Also check out their social media channels. And for now, find previous episode right here, or check this recommended video, and make sure to subscribe, and see you next week. New videos every week. Ciao!